In this video, you learn how to generate trivia questions for a family event. Now here's the special part. You can create age-appropriate questions so that everybody has fun, feels challenged at the right level, and nobody gets any obscure questions like, who was the Beatles' first drummer? The first step is to select a prompt. So log into ChatGPT and on the AIPRM dashboard, click the Public tab. Go to the search field and enter Quiz Generator. Select the prompt. Go to the input field and enter prompt instructions. Here's a suggested prompt template. You can modify it as required. Create 6 questions about grade 4 elementary science. 2 questions are open-ended, 2 questions are true-false, and 2 questions are multiple choice, ABC. Click the Send Message button. There are many ways to play family trivia. Here's one idea. If you have one tablet or smartphone, one team member loads the ChatGPT page with the AIPRM prompt and then enters the prompt to generate questions. That player asks a few questions and then passes the device over to the next team. The player enters a fresh prompt with a new topic and asks questions. And so it goes. That's it. Now you know how to create a family trivia game with AIPRM.